What's going on, Mugs? You hearing Jingle Bells? I don't know what I hear. Here's something tinkling and jingling. Maybe someone's cracked open the liquor cabinet. Aha. Look at that. Huh. Never know what you're going to see on the bike path. Couldn't be a more perfect scene, huh? Is that a perfect scene or what?
Yeah, that's quite neat, isn't it?
Yeah. Last minute present delivery.
Funny looking reindeer though.
Well, little on the heavy side, I think. They monetized it and cut back on staff. What 12 reindeer can deliver, one can do better. Things are just flying along. Very nice, Mugs. That's a good reindeer. Wasn't that perfect? Used to be 12, but they just cut down.
Pardon me?
Used to be 12 reindeer, they cut down to one horse.
Oh.
Save on staffing costs. We're going to get them. Right, Mugs? That's an easy target, he says. He's barely moving. I can run faster than him. You're doing it, huh, Mugs? You're doing it. You're getting away, Mugs. Where are those presents? Not done yet. Yeah. All right, Mugs. We gotta give it up. We'll get him on the way back. Maybe he's got some presents for you, huh? Good boy. There he goes. Where'd he go? There he is. You almost did it, Mugs. You almost had him. Good boy. What's going on, Mugs? Hello. Oh, man. I had to dig for the camera. These guys are doing well. They're well fed. You guys are doing good for Christmas?
Yes!
It's your last shopping day. Get on down to the mall. Enjoy the weather. Yep. Can you believe it, Mugs? Lots of horses on the trail today. You almost had them, Mugs. What a magical sound. You see that horse in the foreground? It was chewing on some hay. Dump, 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 dump. Happy holidays, Tall. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Back to work, though. Christmas Eve, we're going back to work. Got to get an apartment ready for January 1st. Right, Mugs? Got to do what you got to do. Someone's waiting to move in. I'll keep you posted. Happy holidays. See, you think we'll see the horses again, Mugs? Pulling the sleigh with those jingle bells? What do you think? Oh, what do you hear, Mugs? Yep, here they come. I was watching a video on YouTube yesterday. My computer plays some videos, all choppy junk. I pulled up a video, 2 hours of the great steam engines. A 2-hour video. Must have been a History Channel special. Took place in the 80s and 90s. The Santa Fe and New Mexico 3517, was it? I slept through most of it, but kept hearing the steam engines plowing by, doing a pull by. 1 engine, 2 engines, 3 engines. Burning up that coal, powering up mountainsides with 100 boxcars or 100 carts full of coal. It's pretty crazy. Hello again. I'm Corvair Wild on YouTube. Look it up. I'll have you on YouTube.
All right.
Corvair Wild. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I'll go for a ride, Mugs. Oh, it's a joyous holiday. Time to buy that Apple iPhone 5. Samsung Galaxy. It's junk. My friend in Japan, Gas Sub Wild, told me so. It's Apple time. You know what's good about the Apple iPhone? When it dies, you can feed it to the horse, because horses like apples. Sleigh rides ahead. Yes, indeed. Just perfect. Right, Mugs? Perfect. All right, back on the trail. Oh, wait. One's going one way, one's going the other. Oh, you missed the opportunity. It just made a U-turn. Too bad.
Oh, well.
Yeah, that's the turnaround point. Tried. Where'd they go? There they are. Oh, Mrs. CW wanted to be in the video with the sleighs. Oh, well. Uh-oh, we got trouble now. Here comes the killer. Is that your friend, Mugs? Is that your friend? There's your friend. He's almost as big as you. He used to be as big as yours, but we put him in the dryer to fluff him up, and look what happened. He shrunk. He thinks he's still 150 pounds. He's a purebred pika freak.
What is it called?
A pika freak. He's
Really?
a cross between a freakazoid and a...
Oh, yeah, I got it.
We don't know who dug under the fence. Aren't you funny looking, Mr. Muggs? This is where it all starts and ends, at the Gentle Giant Sleigh and Carriage Rides. We're just watching these two very nice, must be Belgian horses, nibbling at the bales of hay. And one nibbles at one side and one nibbles at the other, and the other one nudges them away. Hey, that's my hay! Hey! Hey, hey, hey. It's all about the hay. Love our sleigh rides. Christmas Eve. Couldn't ask for better weather. Come see them in Stowe. Gentle Giants. Open daily. Even if it snows. 802 area code in Stowe, Vermont. Love our horses. They take good care of them. Alright, Mugs. Being as how it's Christmas Eve, we'll get Mrs. CW trucking across the bridge. I've done this on my bicycle so many times in the summer, but got to use whatever suits the season. It's alright, he's right in the middle of the trail. You won't run him over.
No, not much. Mom, watch it!
Meow. Get her, Mugs! Oh, the back is not working well. He's trying. Alright, you win first prize. See you at the ski center. Right, Mugs? You tried, Mugs. You almost got her. One last pass before we turn in the cross-country skis and head back to work. Corvair Wild on YouTube. Corvair Wild. And away they go. And away she goes. Yeah, enough of those horses, huh, Mugs? Oh, that's where they make the U-turn. Interesting. All right. Back to the place where we rented the skis. And just when you thought it was all over, one more pass by of the nice horses. I think he wants better working conditions. I don't know, kind of hot and steamy in Florida. One more pass by. Merry Christmas to you all. You can see a video of yourself on YouTube. Corvair Wild. The Chevy Corvair, Corvair Wild. Look it up. I'll have it on YouTube. Oh, is that fun? What do you think of that, Muggs? Could have had him. Yeah. Winning for better working conditions. I think it's funny. I'm Corvair Wild on YouTube. Right, Muggs? Don't bury your head in the snow.